Howdy world! In today's video, I'm going to be doing a chrome raindrop look on my natural nails. Watch me work. First, I'm applying some alcohol to remove any oils or anything that is on the nail that can interfere with my gel polish application. For the second step, I'm actually going to be letting the nail fully dry, and then I'll go in with the base coat. I'll apply a thin layer onto each and every nail. Then I'll be making sure to cap off the free edge of the nails. That means the end of the nail, I will make sure to apply the base coat there, because when I put my gel color, then it'll reach all around the whole nail. In step 3, I'll be applying the gel color polish. I chose the color black because I'm going to be applying a chrome, and with the color black, chrome really stands out a lot. So we're going to apply a thin layer of our first coat of black onto each and every nail. Black can be a difficult color to work with when you're a beginner. There are certain colors such as red, black, blue. Those colors are colors that usually stain. Think about it. They are more richer colors. They have a lot more pigment. But once you learn to apply a dark color, even a burgundy, oh, I forgot the burgundy. Oh, that one stains a lot. If you make any mistakes or just puddles in the side of your cuticle area. But once you learn how to use these colors, they are going to be some of your favorite colors because they really stand out. Because I'm filming, it's difficult to polish my nails just because the way things are set up. And because of that, I can't paint the nails in the direction I usually paint my nails, which is facing me. There can be some errors. There can be some polish that goes past the nail and onto the skin. And this will probably happen to you when you're a beginner as well. So it's good to just have either a lint-free wipe where you can just wipe around those areas with some alcohol, as I'm doing here, to clean off those sidewalls. But another favorite hack of mine is if you get an angled brush, like a makeup brush, a thin one, you dip it in alcohol. You'll make sure that it doesn't have too much alcohol in there, right? You'll press it on a napkin a little bit, and then you'll go with your nail and you'll just clean any area where you have messed up, where it has touched the skin. If it has touched some of the cuticle area, you can simply just wipe it and it'll look perfect. Now in step 4, you're actually going to go in with your top coat, and this is going to be your sealer. This is going to lock everything in, and I'll just apply a thin layer onto each and every nail with my top coat. This is a no wipe top coat, so it has no sticky layer. In step 5, you're going to be applying your chrome color. But first, I only cured my nails with the top coat for 45 seconds. I feel that the chrome applies to the nails and adheres a lot better whenever I don't do a full cure. Now, as I apply with a sponge my chrome powder, I really tend to focus on the borders of the nail, all around the cuticle area, the side walls, because those areas, if you just pass by them quickly, like with your sponge, what tends to happen is that the color doesn't stick on very well there. So you really have to press hard and keep going back and forth, as you see here. What can happen is at the end of you doing your nails, and let's say you're wiping your nails to clean them with some alcohol, you will see that those areas the chrome didn't attach to, and you will see the color under the nail. Like my color is black under my nails, and you will see that. And it's really annoying because the only way to fix it is by buffing that off and redoing it. So as a friendly reminder, just make sure that you are rubbing the chrome powder all along your cuticle area over and over, along with your side walls, so you can have a clean and perfect chrome application. Also, another friendly reminder is that you must know that whenever you're going to apply a chrome powder, you need to be using a no wipe top coat. So that top coat that I applied on my nails before I put on the chrome powder, that was a no wipe top coat, meaning it had no sticky layer. You cannot put chrome powder on top of the sticky layer because it's just going to become like a muddy mess. So you will notice that whenever you make that mistake, that if you don't have a no wipe top coat, it is not going to be shiny. The chrome powder will stick on there, but it won't be seamless. It won't glide on the nail. It'll have some friction because it's on a sticky surface. A key detail that I like to do is apply some alcohol onto a lint-free wipe and then just wipe away any chrome that is in areas where I don't want it to be. Then I use my finger to rub in whatever chrome powder is left on the nails. Technically, it is much better if you're using a brush, but I'm only using what I have, and that's what I recommend to you. If you don't have something, utilize what you have. So if you don't have a brush, use your finger. Make sure to use a clean finger. Now I'm applying the raindrops onto my nails using tweezers. Like I said before, you have to utilize what you have. And because I don't have all my tools here, because I'm traveling and things just get heavy, so I'm just like, I leave it or I give it away. I utilize what I have available. And one thing that I did notice when I did my first nail and did the raindrops on it was that when I did the raindrops and then I applied the top coat, it looked muddy. It didn't look as clear. The raindrops they weren't as pronounced. So when I applied the top coat and then I started creating the raindrops, then they stood out a lot more. And that tends to happen. Usually whenever you're doing something for the first or second time, or you're learning to do something, the first nail will come out butchered. The next nail will come out a little bit better. The next nail will come out better than the last nail. And then it just keeps progressing. So by the time you get to the last nail, you have an idea just because you've done it 4 of the times or 9 of the times before you get to the last nail. So keep that in mind. And what I'm doing to create these raindrops is simple. I'm just applying my top coat onto the tip of my tweezers. Then I am applying it onto the nail. I'll like move it around a little bit, make it a little squiggly, and then keep putting it in different areas where I feel it will fit. And I'm doing them different sizes, and then I'll do like bigger ones and then just little dots wherever there's like some areas that there's nothing there. But I'm not completely flooding the nail with so many drops. I still want it to look like there's space in between them. I gotta be honest with you, this is one of the easiest designs you can do because in the beginning they'll look like, but it's really a foolproof thing. If you don't overflood the nail with a bunch of drops, this is a very simple nail look that is perfect for beginners. Once I wipe the nails and apply some cuticle oil to hydrate the cuticle area, we are done, sis. Check this out. These nails look so good. Once I wipe everything clean, we are done. Yes, look at these chrome nails. I mean, look at the impact that they have. They are spaceships on my nails with a little bit of drip, little raindrops. It was a joy to make this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and I'll see you in the next video. Sounds good? Ciao, ciao.